districts that voted, Rajasthan, UP, MP, many districts have voted. The feedback is, number one, absolutely no enthusiasm for the BJP. A lot of indifference and even apathy on the part of regular BJP voters. Many of them have not gone to vote. Percentage of poll has dropped in those areas. And a lot of receptivity to the idea that the time for change is here. If you are so afraid that you want to put one of your opponents away, he might campaign in 2 states and do you damage, then that means you are really, really very much in fear. And that I urge the BJP, daro mat, as Rahul Gandhi likes to say, daro mat. And what I don't understand is how the voter of Goa can have any respect for people who have so little respect for themselves and for their relationship with God. I mean, it really is shocking, isn't it, that you would actually swear and then break your promise as if it didn't mean anything to you. So my own view on this matter is, if people have the courage of their convictions, then they have every reason to resign. But they should have no reason to take the benefit of election on one set of ideologies and practices and votes, and then go off and support the opposite side. That is truly surprising. The anti-defection law, one of the flaws is not so much the way the law was written, which I know can be improved, but also the implementation. Under BJP rule, for the first time, we've seen speakers sitting indefinitely on disqualification requirements, right?